Yeah, I've already unloosened a lot of screws because it's pretty warm out here. Where I'm at right now is going to take the weight off. So the radiator brackets to hold the radiator in. Got a bag for my radiator brackets. Ready to be easy to put it back on. I'll be done with the radiator. Stabilizer. Radiator holds on from the thermostat between the radiator. Already loosen the AC laws too. That angle so you can see. Sun coming out. AC bag bolts for the AC. Bolts for the AC. AC lines cold from the AC. AC button. Berkeley Homes at ACN. Just the AC bolts. AC coming out. AC taking it. Back. This in the last hose with the radiator and the transmission. The radiator coming out. Radiator coming. I'm going to work on the power steering.
going on?
Oh yeah, I'm taking out everything and recording it, so I remember how I put it. And see, I'm taking the power steering pump off now, the alternator, and I've labeled some of the hoses. I probably should come back, but it's cool I came about too. You know, I had some things to take care of. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna come back and get some more of those hoses off, and then you'll be able to help me, you know, with this, and then I get this, and then this. I just need help see with just this, you know, this, and then separate this, and then that. You know, and after that, I'll be able to take everything out. So,
okay.
Yeah, so tomorrow, you could help me just with the start with that, take manifold, and I get that off, and then move, you know, this and the strip.
Well, I mean, the engine will come out with the intake.
Okay.
Yeah, that's no problem. Mainly, I mean, we need to once again, we need to remove the harmonic balancer and unbolt it from the transmission.
Right.
And this one, we can take this off. I mean, once we get the engine out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the power steering pump. So you believe we'll start on what tomorrow? The harmonic balance? Which one?
Yeah.
Harmonic balancer. And
right. Yeah, the main pulley.
Okay.
From the crankshaft pulley.
Okay, and then after we get that off, then where we go to?
Right. Yeah. And once again, I mean, this
to start with the engine. I got you.
That's what I do. Yeah. Once we remove the engine, I mean, you can take this out.
Right. But
the engine is out.
Right, but I'm saying once we get the harmonic balancer, what we gonna move on next to?
Even the power. I mean, the.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this off. Right now.
You don't have to, but yeah, if you want, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off in a few minutes. I'm gonna take this whole grain.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna take the alternator off right quick. But I'm saying after we get the harmonic balancer, and then I got a few more holes I gotta cut because they ain't gonna pull away some new holes I put on there. You know, once they get on the nipple board, they be stuck. I don't want to damage the nipple, so I'm gonna cut it. My thing is about small holes down the line. But
okay.
I got the hose labeled back there. But after you get the harmonic balancer, what are we gonna move on to now?
The pipe, right? The exhaust pipe and the exhaust manifold, which is this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay.
Well, I mean, no, you don't have to. I mean, I bolt it from there.
Right.
Yeah. The exhaust pipe. Yeah. Between the manifold and the pipe.
Okay, and then after that, harmonic balancer and exhaust pipe, and then what we got next?
The main pulley. I'm bolted this.
That's all.
And basically, mainly that's it.
Okay, you believe it? Well, you know what? See, I gotta strip the engine bare. So once we get it out, I'm gonna have to get the distributor and get out. You know, obviously it'll be bare when I take the blunt. But after we get it out,
it'll be easier. Once again, I mean, that's why I told you. I mean, you don't have to remove this one because the engine will come out this way, but not with the pulley. I mean, with the main pulley. Yeah. So, but if you want to remove this one, that's up to you. But you don't have to.
Oh yeah,
because there's plenty of room over here. Because I mean, the engine will come out like this. See?
Oh yeah, but I know we're going to take. I'm gonna take this off right here because once you get the engine, it's gonna have. Then you have to take this off.
I mean, strip it down.
Yeah. It's easy. I got them bolts. I marked it. So like you say, after we get the harmonic balances, then the exhaust pipe, and then what we got to get next, we can pull it out.
The torque converter.
Torque converter bolt, and then it'll come out. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And the housing.
Okay.
The belt housing, transmission belt housing, bolts.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I try to come maybe early in the morning at 10.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish getting the power steering pump and the alternator, and that'll be it for me today. And then I come back try to early maybe.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Yeah, there's no problem.
Yeah, and then see, once we get it out, I get everything out Spark Plug. I got my thing Spark Plug, get it out and get to the distributor house and then strip it.
Okay.
And it'll be easy when it's out.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let me open the shop. For a little longer.
Okay, yeah. This won't take me about a good 20, 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And I'm finna be out. Because I got to call my folks, and then somebody pick me up, and then I'll be ready. I'm just trying to get as much as I can, because, I ain't got about 9 days left. I want to make sure I make that so I can go on and get it to them.
Gotcha. All right. Man, yeah. Let me open the shop real quick.
alternator broke.